According to a report, India recycles approximately 60% of its plastic waste. The remaining 40% ends up in landfills, indicating that there is still much work to be done to help save the environment. Many PP Raffia woven bag producers in India are investing in plastic recycling machines, and their main goal is to turn their factory waste into valuable resources. Raffia or woven bags can be challenging to recycle because of their high resistance. Normally, you need to pre-crush the materials before feeding it into the recycling machine. However, POLYSTAR offers a simple solution for producers to recycle their waste in one step. Repo One recycling machine is a shredder-integrated recycling machine that combines shredding, extrusion, pelletizing into one single machine. This model is very popular in the Indian market, and producers are earning profits with it. Are you ready to join the ranks of recycling?